Hey guys, welcome back to my Lightwhip tutorial series, and on this week's tutorial we are going to look at something called breaks. So before we get into this week's move, I just want to remind you guys to hit that subscribe button as it does help to support my channel. So in this week's tutorial we are going to focus on elbow breaks and foot breaks, but you could also do breaks with your legs. So the first move are foot breaks because they are the easiest type of break to do. It's just when you are spinning your whip and then stop it, pause it, or break it with your foot. So in order to do that, all you need to do is spin the whip in the clockwise position and then stick your foot out. And make sure that you put your foot at the part of the circle where the whip handle will hit the foot and not like the middle of the whip, because then that's not really what a break is. A break is really when it stops and then goes in the other direction. Now for elbow breaks, you are just catching the handle at the top and hitting it at the bottom. And then you can bring it onto your other arm and catch it with the opposite hand. You can even try and catch it with the hand that is already holding on to the whip. That is a lot harder, but it is possible. So what this move is, it's really just practice and getting used to the weight of your whip handle. So before you start flinging your whip around, especially near your face, I suggest that you either A, practice with a soft prop, or B, make sure you have proper eye protection, because you never know what can happen. You don't want to end up hurting yourself, especially if you're just a beginner to intermediate level whipper. This is a more difficult kind of move. So I would suggest practicing first and making sure you're comfortable with your whip before you attempt this move. So that is all for this week's tutorial on breaks. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If there's a specific move or tutorial that you want to see, let me know in the comments below. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!